Managing student performance efficiently is a challenge for teachers. With growing class sizes and diverse learning needs, tracking student strengths and weaknesses manually is inefficient. Teachers struggle to get personalized insights on students' performance, making it hard to provide targeted support. Our AI powered student management website solves this by analyzing student data and providing actionable insights. Our website allows teachers to add and manage student records effortlessly. It analyzes performance data and provides AI driven recommendations for improvement. Unlike traditional gradebooks, our website offers instant feedback and personalized study suggestions based on AI analysis. We utilize the Gemini API to generate insights, making the app smart and efficient. We have designed the website to genuinely support teachers in understanding and improving student performance. With AI powered insights, they get personalized recommendations tailored to each student's progress. Our smart search makes it easy to find a student and instantly view helpful suggestions. We also track academic performance over time, making it easier to spot strengths and areas that need attention. Everything is accessible through a clean, user friendly dashboard that keeps things simple and efficient. Let's take a quick walkthrough of our student management application. At the top right, we have key options: Add Student, List All Students, and View and Edit Student Data. Starting with Add Student, here we can enter all relevant details such as student's name, student ID, grade, behavioral notes, attendance, and their subject wise marks. Once done, click Add Student to save the record. Now let's head over to List All Students. This section displays all the students added to the system in a clear, structured format. Next, we move to the View and Edit Student Data feature. Let's look up a student. Here, we can view their full profile, edit their data if needed, and click Save Changes once done. Now for the key highlight, AI-powered insights. We select a student and click Generate Feedback. Our app uses the Gemini API to provide personalized recommendations and identify areas of improvement based on the data entered. And that's a quick overview of how our app helps educators manage and support students more effectively. With our student management application, teachers can make data driven decisions and help students reach their full potential. Thank you for watching.